In this video, we're going to show you how to add picture wire to the back of your frame. Start by marking 2 lines on the sides of the frame. Make sure they are the same distance from the top, no more than 1/3 of the way down. To avoid splitting the frames, we like to drill small pilot holes where the screws go. Here's the D-rings we'll be using. They come in different sizes. Make sure they are not too big to fit on your frame. Secure them to the frames with the nails. Once you have both of the D-rings installed, cut a piece of picture wire 3 to 4 inches wider than the frame. Starting on one side, loop the wire through the D-ring and twist it around itself like so. Pull the wire across the back of the frame and do the same on the other side. Cut off any excess wire. Make sure that the wire doesn't have too much slack, but don't make it super tight either. That's it, you're ready to hang up your picture.